This is the night competition between the brand new DJI Pocket 2 versus Osmo Pocket. With a much larger sensor size and f1.8, would Pocket 2 perform much better? Let's find out. I'm now walking the busy and bright street of Gangnam area, and this is Pocket 2. Set at 4K 30 frames per second and everything set at auto. Everything in this video will be set at auto, nothing edited. And now onto the original Osmo Pocket, and you can see that with f2.0, it is much darker. It is more obvious side by side, and also notice the difference in field of view. Pocket 2 field of view is 93 degrees as opposed to Osmo Pocket at 80 degrees. What a difference! An immediate thumbs up for Pocket 2. And don't forget to like this video as well. Thanks. Let me continue walking and capture some of the lights of the night. But with the bright neon signs, this is where Osmo Pocket might actually look better because it actually shows off the color rather than making everything white. And please don't mind the tilted Osmo Pocket because it's slightly damaged. How about the massive crab? Well, Osmo Pocket, it seems to give dramatic light, nothing too exposed, whereas Pocket 2 looks a little exposed. However, you can always zoom in with Pocket 2, where you press on the right side of display and slide up to zoom in. At 4K resolution, 2x zoom is available, but at 2.7K, 3x zoom, and 1080p video and 16 megapixel photo, 4x zoom is available. For 64 megapixel photo, 8x zoom is available, but I haven't yet tried. But I'll try during daytime. And one random thing I particularly liked about Pocket 2 is how it can focus well close up during nighttime as well. Okay, sorry for being so close up.
So one of the most fun things to do at nighttime with the traffic and so on is to take the time lapse. The motion time lapse, which is my favorite function of Osmo Pocket 1 and probably Pocket 2 as well. I'm speaking under the mask. So yeah, let's get started with motion time lapse.
Since Dual handle for Pocket 2 has that screw mount for the universal adapter, I can pretty much attach Pocket 2 anywhere. Mind you, with Osmo Pocket Wi-Fi module, I can stand it anywhere as well. And it actually takes up much less space. Now shall we attach the ultra-wide lens for Pocket 2 that comes in the Creator Combo Kit. And it works totally fine.
Yep, so I have the wireless mic from the Pocket 2 combo series. And yeah, I'm just done with motion time-lapse, which I thought was fantastic, whatever the device. But I shall see in the editing process. So this is really, I'm actually just testing out the mic to see what's happening, but it's so convenient. Actually, even lav mic is convenient. However, I think more wireless option is a lot more convenient.
Now, one last test for these Pocket cameras. Face tracking. Can it follow my face in the dark? And yes, it can. Even with a mask on, it can follow me very well during nighttime with both devices. So in conclusion, I don't think I have to even conclude because you guys can see for yourselves which is the clear winner. And of course, I'll come back with some other interesting review and test of Pocket 2. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!